Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that every gamer should consider, the thumb grips caps, specifically designed for joystick controllers. We found this product online, and we've added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly are thumb grips caps? These are performance joystick covers that enhance your gaming experience by providing improved grip and control over your game controller's thumbsticks. They are compatible with a variety of popular gaming consoles, including PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, Xbox One, and the Switch Pro. This means whether you're playing on the latest console or an older model, these thumb grips have got you covered. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of these thumb grips. Firstly, they are precision molded to create a 1:1 replica of the actual joystick, ensuring a seamless fit that feels natural during gameplay. This is crucial for maintaining control, especially in high-stakes gaming scenarios like first-person shooters, FPS, or action games. Another key feature is their professional control design. The thumb grips come in different heights and offer varying concave and convex surfaces, making them suitable for a wide range of gaming styles. Whether you're engaged in a fast-paced action game, a competitive FPS, or a fighting game, these grips cater to your unique gaming needs. The original design by Ammo Accessories also sets these grips apart. The company is dedicated to creating innovative and stylish joystick caps that not only enhance gameplay but also add a touch of flair to your controller. The cyclone pattern in white is visually appealing and can make your gaming setup look even more impressive. In terms of material, these thumb grips are crafted from premium silicone. This ensures a comfortable and precise gaming feel, while also being skin-friendly, non-toxic, and odorless. They're built to withstand wear and tear, maintaining their delicate touch even after extended use. Installation is another area where these thumb grips excel. They are incredibly easy to install and remove, allowing you to switch them out in just 3 simple steps. First, turn up the edge of the grip. Second, place the grip on the joystick and let the edge fall back into place. Finally, adjust the thumb grip to ensure it fits snugly with the joystick. Once installed, they won't fall off easily during intense gaming sessions. These thumb grips are suitable for casual gamers who want a little extra control as well as serious gamers who need precision during competitive play. They can significantly improve your gaming performance, making them a valuable addition to your gaming arsenal. So, if you're looking to enhance your gaming experience with better grip and control, the thumb grips caps are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.